Howdy crypto friends, checking in on the daily with Bitcoin Ethereum Litecoin, XRP XLM, and BNB. And we have the bulls at least making it a little interesting. And what I mean by that is we're not dropping down and breaking straight to a lower low and confirming the bear flag. The bulls are giving it a little bit of an attempt, so it is a possible higher low on the daily time frame, but I need follow through on the 4-hour time frame. I need to change that trend. If we can change this 4-hour trend, give ourselves a higher low, higher high, we'll say, all right, our daily higher low is established, and now we do have this tightening range to be watching as we head towards the second half of the week here. So for the 4-hour time frame, the last recent lower high is 34.25. Anything under that is just another lower high. We have our good old friends, the exponential resistances, that have consistently rejected the price when we are under them. We're watching those as well. So pretty much, if we don't break the 4-hour downtrend, we're just going to anticipate lower highs and lower lows until we get to 32.12, the current bottom. But if we can change that trend, it'll be interesting into the rest of the week for the potential of that daily higher low. So the most important levels for me remain the low of 32.12, the high of 36.43, and it's just a question of whether or not we can form that higher low or not. At this point, still have no interest in any trades right now, patiently waiting, watching daily exponential resistances. If you were looking to get into a trade, the only trade, in my opinion, would be bottom fishing the recent lows and hoping for a daily higher low and then a bull break to a higher high, but the odds would not be in your favor. Checking in on Ethereum on the daily chart, same thing. A little bit more space to work with, it appears. 8102 is the level to be looking down at, and we need to change the 4-hour trend in order for the daily higher low to be established. 91.21 is that resistance, watching for the potential of just another 4-hour lower high. If we change that 4-hour trend, daily higher low will be set, and we'll have a tightening range with the daily exponential resistance. Same thing as SPY, and correlations are really high in this sector at this point, because pretty much everybody is doing the same thing, and Binance here at the end did stand out to me. I was just cycling through a lot of the different altcoins to see if anybody stood out for Bitcoin, and the vast majority, where everybody's just doing the same thing. So a bear flag on the daily, trying to form the higher low for Litecoin. The last 4-hour lower high was here at 24.38. Anything under 24.38 is just a lower high. Bulls trying to form the daily higher low. Bears still have full control of the 4-hour trend, and we're closing in on the recent low of 22.24. XRP recent low was down at 29.2, trying to form that higher low. 4-hour downtrend, the last lower high very clearly is 319. XLM, you guessed it, 4-hour downtrend has to change. Lower high is set at 12.03. Anything under that's another lower high. And the daily bulls trying to form that higher low and see a trend shift with the higher low and higher high and battle with the exponential resistances. Binance is a little bit different. It's favoring the bulls. You can see we don't have that clear pullback where we're looking for that higher low to be established. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, we did change the trend. So that's us saying, all right, our daily higher low is now set, and that's at 447. So now the bulls need to see a break of $5 for a little stutter step and then continuation move, which would be notable. So we can look at this as an example of this is exactly what everybody that we just looked at, the bulls all want to see, a 4-hour higher low and then break of the lower highs. And we just don't have that on anybody else at this point. So that's where we stand. Nice and quick, short and easy. Wow, this is going to be a record speed video update for cryptocurrency. And on days like today, we can keep it that simple and put our time and effort into other things that are maybe not as simple and clear to be watching. So I hope you all continue to do good things. We'll see you. Don't think I'm going to get a video off tomorrow. I'm going to be traveling again, and that might be the case for the next 4 days or so. So we'll see. I'm moving back up north, bouncing around back up to North Carolina. Going to scout out some farms, maybe get a trading farmer community going. That's a vision I have. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. See you soon. David, show me your hat. Show me your hat, brother. Nice, looking good. You liking that kale?